Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on app lock on Messenger. So if you want to turn up app lock in Messenger, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Messenger, then tap on the three-line icon at the left top corner of the screen, then tap on the gear button, then tap on privacy and safety, then under security tap on app lock, and make sure you toggle on this button, and once you toggle this on, your Face ID or your passcode will be required, and Meta AI has nothing to do with this because they are not storing your data. So just tap on the icon, then input your passcode or your Face ID. Then right here you can configure the required Face ID. If you want your phone, the app lock to request or require for ID after a minute, or after 15 minutes, or after an hour, or after you leave the app. So it depends on you. You can just simply configure that. So I'll just simply put after I leave the app. So once you do that, then you can just simply close the app like that, then check it again. Then you can see Face ID, passcode or Face ID has been required, and that is how to turn on app lock on Messenger. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.